I thought I was learning to code, but I was actually just wasting my time. For 6 months, I did the same thing every day. Watched tutorials, took notes, felt like I was getting somewhere. Then I actually tried to code on my own. And I froze. My mind completely blank. That's when it hit me. This is why so many people quit coding. Nobody tells you this, but there's a right way to learn to code and a wrong way. Today, I'm breaking it down for you step by step. Okay, real talk. Have you ever spent hours watching coding tutorials, but when you actually sit down to code, your brain just freezes? Yeah, me too. Watching coding tutorials without actually coding is like watching gym videos and expecting to get six-pack abs. It's not gonna happen. Here's the truth. Most people get stuck because they spend all their time passively watching instead of actually coding. Learning happens when you struggle, when you make mistakes, when you actually write code. The best developers follow the simple rule. They spend 80% of their time building, breaking, and fixing things, and only 20% watching. And I want you to try this. From now on, for every hour you watch tutorials, spend 4 hours coding. Alright, so now you know 80-20 rule. Less watching, more coding. But let's be real. The real question is, what to really build? Trust me, I know that what should I build feeling. I've been there. You don't need the perfect project. You just need to start. So here's my challenge for you. Pick one small project and start building it. Don't overthink, just start typing. Even if it's messy, even if it's ugly, even if you feel totally lost, just finish one project. That's how you break tutorial hell. And here's where most beginners panic. Because once you start building, you're gonna run into errors. And that's where another step comes in. Alright, let's be real. Debugging is the part of coding that makes people wanna throw their laptops across the room. I've been there too many times. But here's something no one tells you. Your biggest skill as a developer isn't coding. It's troubleshooting. Because let's be honest, if coding was just writing perfect code, we'd all be geniuses by now. Every developer, every single one, Googles their errors. And that's not cheating, that's actually how you get better. So the next time you hit an error, instead of freaking out, just remember, every time you debug, you level up. That's how real developers grow, so don't run from bugs, fix them. Alright, let's sum up, because if you actually follow these steps, you're gonna see real progress fast. Wait, before you go, what if I told you AI can help you debug and write code 10 times faster? Yes, AI isn't here to replace developers. It's here to make you even better. So if you're ready to code like a pro, I'll see you in the next one.